So this was a natural fit for us, olives from Spain, because we use olives from Spain anyway. We get as much as we can from Spain, and so it's very easy for us to get behind a product that we already are behind anyway. So anyway, thank you guys for coming. We're gonna start tasting some stuff, some great Spanish olive dishes.